I was excited when I got a package in the mailbox. It came all the way from the United States of America, and it took just 5 days on the cheapest shipping option to France. These are the Stealth Propellers by Master AirScrew for the DJI Mavic 2 series drones. These new propellers come with a 37% sound power reduction, 5% increased flight time, and less weight, up to 3% lighter than the original propellers. This means that the reduced weight reduces the motor overheating, which means we could probably use this at a lower RPM. The new design provides better flight in high altitudes, in sport mode, increased durability and better visibility. I thought about doing scientific tests with a dB meter to measure the sound, but what really are those numbers without actually hearing it? I let you hear for yourself what it sounds like, and you can decide if there is a difference in the sound. I found that these propellers when hovering didn't sound as high-pitched as the original propellers. When motor ramping and idling on the ground, there was no noticeable difference.